In today's video, we will explore the fundamental rules of capitalization in English. Capitalization is essential for correct writing as it helps distinguish between different types of words and indicates the beginning of sentences and proper nouns. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of when and where to use capital letters in English writing. Let's dive into it. What is capitalization? Capitalization refers to the practice of writing a letter in uppercase form. In English, certain words and situations require capital letters to maintain clarity and convey the right meaning. The rules for capitalization can sometimes seem confusing, but once you understand the basics, it becomes much easier to follow. 1. Capitalizing the first word of a sentence. The first word of every sentence should begin with a capital letter. This rule is one of the most basic and helps readers quickly identify the start of a new thought or idea. For example, correct. She went to the store. Incorrect. She went to the store. Whenever you start a new sentence, make sure to capitalize the first letter of the first word. 2. Proper nouns. A proper noun is the name of a specific person, place, or thing. Proper nouns are always capitalized. This includes names of people, cities, countries, days of the week, months, holidays, and more. Here are a few examples. Person's name: John, Maria. Places: New York, Paris, Mount Everest. Days and months: Monday, July. Holidays: Christmas, Thanksgiving. It's important to note that common nouns, general names for things, are not capitalized unless they are the first word of a sentence. 3. Titles of books, movies, and works of art. Titles of books, movies, songs, and other creative works are capitalized. Every important word in the title, including verbs, nouns, adjectives, and adverbs, is capitalized. The smaller words, like articles, a and the, conjunctions and but, or, and prepositions, in, on, at, are not capitalized unless they are the first or last word of the title. For example, correct. The Great Gatsby, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. Incorrect. The Great Gatsby, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. In the example above, the first and last words are capitalized, but the middle words like and are not. 4. The pronoun. The pronoun I is always capitalized, regardless of where it appears in a sentence. This is a unique rule in English because no other pronoun is capitalized in this way. For instance, correct? I am going to the market. Incorrect. I am going to the market. No matter where the pronoun I appears, it should always be written in uppercase. 5. Days of the week and months. As mentioned earlier, the names of the days of the week and the months of the year are capitalized. This helps to distinguish these specific words from other regular words. For example, correct? Monday, February. Incorrect? Monday, February. This capitalization rule applies not only to the days and months, but also to special events or seasons, like Christmas or summer. 6. Capitalizing nationalities, languages, and religions. Nationalities, languages, and religions are also capitalized because they refer to specific entities or identities. For example, correct. I speak English. She is American. He follows Islam. Incorrect. I speak English. She is American. He follows Islam. Each of these terms is important because they relate to specific cultural and social concepts, and capitalizing them helps to show their importance. 7. Capitalizing geographical locations. Geographical locations such as countries, continents, cities, rivers, mountains, and landmarks are always capitalized. Here are some examples. Correct. Africa, Mount Everest, the Nile River. Incorrect. Africa, Mount Everest, the Nile River. When writing about geographical places, remember that any specific location requires a capital letter to signify its uniqueness. 8. Capitalizing the first word in a quote. When incorporating a direct quote into a sentence, the first word of the quote should be capitalized. This is especially important when the quote is a complete sentence. For example, correct. He said, "The meeting will start at 3 p.m." Incorrect. He said, "The meeting will start at 3 p.m." However, if the quote is a fragment and not a complete sentence, the first letter should not be capitalized. Correct. She said it was important to finish the project. Incorrect. She said it was important to finish the project. 9. Capitalizing titles of people. The titles or honorifics used before a person's name are capitalized. This includes titles such as Mr., Mrs., Doctor, President, etc. For instance, correct. Dr. Smith, President Johnson, Mr. Brown. Incorrect. Dr. Smith, President Johnson, Mr. Brown. However, when referring to someone in a general sense without a title or before a name, you do not capitalize the word. For example, correct. The president is giving a speech today. Incorrect. The president is giving a speech today. 10. The first word in a salutation. When writing letters or emails, the first word of a salutation is capitalized. Common examples include dear, hello, or hi. For instance, correct. Dear Mr. Johnson. Incorrect. Dear Mr. Johnson. 11. Capitalizing God in religious terms. When referring to God in a religious context, the word God is capitalized. Other religious terms like Bible, Quran, and Torah are also capitalized. Examples include correct. God, Bible, Quran. Incorrect. God, Bible, Quran. 12. Capitalization in headings and subheadings. When writing headings or subheadings, capitalize the first word, last word, and all important words in between. Do not capitalize prepositions, conjunctions, or articles unless they appear at the beginning or end of the heading. For example, correct. Tips for writing better essays. Incorrect. Tips for writing better essays. Conclusion. In this video, we have learned the basic rules of capitalization in English. We've covered when to capitalize the first word of a sentence, proper nouns, titles of works, the pronoun I, geographical locations, and more. Remember, capitalization plays an essential role in written English to convey the right meaning and structure of sentences. By following these rules, your writing will become clearer, more professional, and easier to understand. Keep practicing these rules to become a better writer.